Okay, the next property we're going to look at is the zero exponent rule. We're just going to prove it real quick. So if I have 2 to the third power over 2 to the third power, if I treat this like the quotient rule and I expand it, then I just have a whole bunch of ones. That's a 1, that's a 1, that's a 1. So the equivalency is going to be a 1. And so if I look at this using the quotient rule, where when I'm dividing, I subtract my exponents, then 3 minus 3 is 0. So this shows us that anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. And so this is looking at the original quotient. If I have a number and I divide it by itself, you should always get 1. So looking here, I have 5 to the 7th divided by 5 to the 7th. So if I expanded that out, oops, I need 2 more. Then it's going to be the same thing where they all just become 1, because 5 to the 7th divided by 5 to the 7th is 1. And if I use the exponent rule, 7 minus 7 is 0, so 5 to the 0 power is 1. X to the 20th, I'm not going to write all of that out, but I will do the exponent rule where I subtract them and get x to the 0 power. Anything divided by itself is 1, so x to the 0 power equals 1. So anytime you have anything raised to the 0 power, it is always going to be 1. So remember, anything raised to the 0 power is always 1.